Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to 7th class social. I am your social teacher from United Public School, Tandur. So my dear students, in our previous class we was discuss about facing the challenges in cyclones and floods. What are the challenges that faced by the people when the cyclones and floods are come? And in our today's class, we are going to discuss about how can people meet the challenge of disaster like cyclone and floods. So, when the flood and cyclone was come, what challenges are for the people? What they face? Okay, let us discuss. This can be done through long-term planning by governments and close cooperation between the people and the government agencies. Today, with the installation of early warning systems by the government, it is possible to predict the possibilities of nature disaster like cyclones and floods. Government has put these systems in place and inform people about the possibility of disaster. So this is the big challenge for the government and the close cooperation, okay, between the people and the government agencies. Day by day the technology is increasing, and with the help of these the government or the other agencies are observing the nature. When will be the rainfall come, when is the sunny day, and when is a rainy day, etc. So after this the government give a red warning to the people, and then they inform the people about the possibility of the disasters, cyclones, floods, etc. Government are also responsible for providing long-term security to all the people by building strong roads which are not easily destroyed, safe pakka houses for those living in vulnerable areas like sea coast or along the rivers or in lowlands. Food, water and medical emergency teams should be kept ready whenever there is a forecast of cyclone. Whenever in the future the disaster will become, this is the responsibility of the government to give a red alert and next to provide the people, okay, long term security, okay, and they have to build the strong roads, okay, safe pakka houses, because people lives in their houses but in the vulnerable areas, and the government should be provide food, water and medical facilities to the people, okay, and they have to be ready for the forecast of cyclone. How can the people prepare for disaster? So students, let us know when the disaster is coming, how we have to prepare ourselves. From the disaster, let us know cyclones and floods are a seasonal phenomenon. During the cyclone, listen to the radio or TV weather reports. In case of cyclone flood warning, ensure that everyone is alerted. This is usually done through loudspeakers or by going from door to door. Cyclones are natural and it's come in a seasonal phenomenon, okay, and during the cyclone what we have to do, yes, we have to listen the radio or TV reports or weather reports, okay, who give us the report about the cyclone or disasters, etc. And the government give the information through the loudspeaker or by going from door to door. Keep an emergency kit ready at home. These kits should contain important papers, some food, some money and emergency telephone numbers. So what we have to take? Yes, we have to keep an emergency kit at home. So in this kit what we have to add? Yes, we have to add some food, some money and some emergency phone numbers, okay. When you get a cyclone warning, store adequate drinking water and food grains in waterproof bags. Yes. So my dear students, food is very important for us. So what we have to do? Yes, we listen. Whenever we listen about the warning of the cyclone, what we have to do? Yes, we have to store our food and drinking water and grains in the waterproof bags. Okay. Do not venture on site. Do not venture outside, especially into the sea during the after the warning has given. So when we get the warning about the cyclone, what we have to do? Yes, don't go to the outside. Okay, especially into the sea during the and after the warning has been given, because whenever the flood was be came, it is very dangerous. Close doors and windows and stay indoors. Yes, what we have to do? Yes, we have to close our windows, doors, etc. and we have to stay at the home. So dear students, today's your homework is you have to write how can the people be prepared to face the disaster. Okay, you have to write the answer of this question, write neatly and submit in the group. Hope you will understand. Thank you.